Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and this is Miss Cali Cat. You want to say hi, Miss Cali Cat? You want to say hi, Miss Bonnie Faye? So I got both my kitties. I forgot Miss Bonnie was behind me. Oh, they want to be out in the weather. Yeah, Bonnie would probably enjoy it until I came inside. Callie would be in a panic. She's like, oh my goodness, I'm outside. What do I do now? Yes, she'd rather just be in here, sitting in the window, pretending like she wants to be outside. Oh well, so today I have an EarFleek for you. Y'all, EarFleek is a monthly earring subscription. It's a very budget-friendly subscription. You get one pair of earrings each month for $3.49. Is that right? Yes, for $3.49. They also have a premium tier you can get. I haven't tried the premium tier, so I can't tell you much about it, but it's $9.93 a month. You tell them, you know, what kind of style you like, Bohemian, fun and silly, sophisticated, you know, minimalist, whatever. And then they also have one of those little thumbs up, thumbs down games where you can tell them what kind of stuff you like. I don't play that one enough. I really need to do that one a little more and see if I can get this a little better. But it's an inexpensive pair of earrings. It's really cute. So let's just see what's in here. I do have a link below if you want to try EarFleek. I do appreciate it if you use my links. Thank you so very much. So let's just, life's too short to have boring style. Y'all, I thought I lost this. I looked everywhere for it last night. Could not find it for the life of me. Thought, oh no, somehow it's gotten thrown away or something. And I was like, well, you know, at least it was not an expensive box that got thrown away. And I finally found it in one of my makeup drawers. I have no idea how it got there, but that's where it was. So you get this envelope, and then it's in a bubble envelope. Then they come in a cute little pink baggie. I like these little baggies. They're great for reusables, like if you want to use some kind of loose leaf balm in your bathtub, you know, some people soaking teas and things. You don't want to get all the flowers and stuff in your tub. They're great for that. They're great for gifting, you know, little gifts. You know, reuse. It always gives you this little EarFleek thing. It tells you it's worth $15.99. I'm not so sure about that. But hey, who am I to say? Alright, they stick these together strangely. And this is how they come. So you gotta pull this thing off. And now I can show you the earrings. These are really interesting, y'all. I mean, very, very interesting. I kind of like them. Very cute with the circles. It looks like there should be a stone in the center of one of them that is not there. I don't know if it's meant to be that way or what. I don't think anything fell out. Still kind of cute. I mean, very interesting. I wish the stone was in the other one, but cool. I've tried contacting them before when something was flawed. I don't remember ever getting what I requested. That's been many moons ago, so I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I don't know. Would you wear them like that, or would you not wear them? Or actually, I could probably just take that little stone off and then wear them like that. And that way they would match if that little stone bothered me. But interesting, really cool. I kind of like this detail. It's very boho, and I like the boho of it. So let me know, what do you think of this month's EarFleek? Let me just stick them on, because I actually took my earrings out so I could stick them on and then forgot to put them in. So I love these danglies. I love the dangly black, but it kind of blends into my hair. So it's kind of lost into it. So I do like that it has this little circle up here that kind of makes it stand out a little bit. It's very interesting. Very fun. What do y'all think? Comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, share with your friends, and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.